A very good morning, students. I hope everyone understood the transversal. Okay, what are the exterior angle, interior angle, and alternative angles, corresponding angles? These all we discussed in previous class. Today we are going to start our exercise 7, page number 83. See, first question. Fill in the blanks. First bit, fill in the blanks. What the given? The lines which intersect two or more lines at a distinct point is called. Means what? A line which distinct intersect with two or more lines. This line name what? Transversal. What? Transversal. Next question. If the pair of alternative interior angles are equal, then the lines are parallel. Why? Here, if the pair of alternative interior angles are equal, a pair of alternative interior angles, what? Here, alternative means one is right side, one is transversal one is right, one is left. Alternative, inside one. Okay, the both are equal means what we can say? They are that lines. These two lines are parallel. Okay. Next, the sum of interior angles of the same side of transversal or supplementary. Then the lines are again same. Na? Here, see here this is alternative. Alternative means line for that side one, this side one. But here, yeah, both are same side for transversal. Okay, they both. If the adding means how much will get supplementary means 180. If you are getting means what is it? They both are parallel lines only. Okay. Next, if two lines intersect each other, then the number of common points they have. See, if the two lines intersected, yeah, two lines means this is one line, this is the one line. Yeah, this line means how many intersecting point? See, if any two lines are intersecting means they will be getting only one common point only. Next, second bit. What the given? Here diagram given ma? Yeah, once look at the page question number, then you can understand. Okay, now what is the question? In this adjacent figure, the lines L, M are parallel and N is a transversal. Fill in the blanks for the following situation in the given below. Next, first question got what given? If one is 80, second one how much? If one is 80 means second means this is the downside one. How much degrees? See, just if you draw like this means if you feel like this 1 and 2 if adding means you will get a one straight line. So yeah, it is 100 means it will be 80. So 1 is equal to 80. So 2 is equal to 100. The second angle will be get 100. Next, if angle 3 is 45 means if angle 3 is 45, angle 7 where have here? Alternative interior angles are equal. So angle 7 also 45. Next, if angle 2 is equal 90, here it is a 90. Then angle 8, yeah, vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Next, fourth question. If angle 4 is equal to 100, then angle 8 is equal to angle 4 where have here? Angle 8 where have here? Alternative exterior angles. Alternative exterior angles also equal. So here is 100 means here also will be 100. Okay. Now third question. Find the measures of x, y, z and x, y, z in the figure where L parallel to BC. The diagram is given. I drawn already. Once check here. See, it is a L line. It is BC line. Okay. In this BC line, this two lines are formed as a triangle. In this x, y, z, and here is 75 and here 45. We have to find out y and z. Okay. Now here given like this. What the hint given? Hint is given what? L parallel to BC. If L is parallel to BC, yeah, if L is parallel to BC means here is given point A. Okay, means AB is transversal. Na? Don't see total one. Up to here only look. See, it is a line, it is a line, it is a transversal. If AB is a transversal, if AB is a transversal means here 75 and Y are both alternative interior angles. Alternative interior angles. Alternative interior angles. So Yeah, angle B is equal to means angle B means y. Angle y is equal to 75 degrees. Next, if this AC also transversal for BC and L. Yes or no? So for that 45 and Z also, therefore angle C is equal to angle Z is equal to angle 45 degrees. Means what? Here also it will be look like alternative angles. Next, here nearby A. Yeah, we got the y value and z value, but we want the x value. How we will get the x value? See, upon the straight line, how many degrees? 180 degrees. See, I mean at the A point, So here A point near what are the angles? 75 plus x degrees plus 45 degrees. So 70. These three makes how many degrees? 180 degrees. So 75 plus 45, how much? 120 plus x plus 180 degrees. Okay. Now see, x for how much adding means 180? 60. So how we will get this one? 180 minus 120 is equal to 60 degrees. Therefore angle x is equal to how much? X is equal to 60 degrees. Yeah, y is equal to 45 degrees. And z is equal to 45 degrees, y is equal to 75 degrees. This is your answer. Okay. Next question, fourth question, page number 86. This third, fourth, fifth, sixth questions all are important, and for that I will say 4 questions. After that you have to practice your homework booking. Now, fourth question. ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AB parallel to BC, AB parallel to DC and AD parallel to BC. Okay, this arrow is given. Okay, find angle B, angle C, angle D. See what are that? Angle B how much, angle D how much, angle C also how much asking. See, by looking only what we can observe, this both are parallel lines. Parallel lines means if it is a transversal, AD is a transversal. If AD is transversal means this both adding means how much should get supplementary. Means D angle D plus 50 is equal to 180. Means 180 for how much adding means 50 for how much adding means 180. So therefore 180 minus 50 how much? 130. So here is 130. Next one more hint what given? This also transversal. So again what will get here and this adding means how much will be 180. So here 130 means here how much? 50. Here 50 means here how much again? 130. Notes I will give briefly. Okay. Now what is the hint you have to understand, that much only. Okay. See now fifth question. In a given figure L and M are parallel. Here this is a L line, it is a M line. These both are parallel and N is a transversal. This line is what? N line is a transversal. And what asking? Is L parallel to M? Here L parallel to M or not asking. This L and M are lines intersected by this N transversal. But what asking? Yeah, L is parallel to M or not asking. Yeah, how to find out? See what we discussed before. See, here is a ME, here is a 100 means here how much? Yeah, vertical opposite will be 100. Otherwise, this both are what will be? Yeah, this both will be exterior angles, but same side. Exterior angles both side. Some of the both exterior angles. Okay, for the same side to transversal, how much will be? 180. When if the two lines are parallel. Okay. Otherwise, here 80 na. Here how much will be? 100. This 100 and this 100. How will be? Corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are equal. When corresponding angles are equal, if the two lines are parallel, therefore L parallel to M. Like that we have to write. Now sixth question. Find angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D and angle E. In this figure, give reason. Yeah, hint given. Two arrows mark pointing in the same direction represent parallel lines. Okay, here I drawn nicely. Once look at this question also. Okay, this diagram only. See, by looking this diagram, what we can observe, these two lines having the same direction means these two lines are parallel. Okay, these two lines parallel, and it will be transversal. Transversal line for this both will be here A, here is 50. Look like alternative interior angles. Alternative interior angles are equal because they are the parallel line. Therefore, angle A is equal to how much? 50. Now B and C, B and 50 also alternative interior angles. So B is equal to 50. Then B is equal to C. B is equal to C means how much? 50 degrees. Then C is equal to D because alternative interior angles. Now D is equal to E because again alternative interior angles. Here 50 is equal to again 54. This is the answer. By looking the arrows, here also see. Here is the two arrows here, parallel lines. It is a transversal. And here look, here these two lines are parallel. It is a transversal. So these both will be alternative interior angles. Again look like this one. Again these two lines are parallel. It is a transversal. These both will be interior angles. Again look at this. These two lines will be parallel. It is a transversal. So it both will be alternative interior angles. So alternative interior angles are equal to each other. So here A is equal to 50 is equal to 50, 50, 50, 50, 50. So A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to D is equal to E is equal to also 50. Like that we have to write.